Forget omega-3 supplements. Take these 2 vitamins at night to rebuild muscle overnight. If you're over 55 and focused on building muscle, it's not just about consuming enough protein or exercising regularly. While taking 150 grams of protein daily, working out 5 times a week, and including omega-3 supplements may help, there are 2 essential nutrients most people overlook, especially if taken at the wrong time. Without them, you could be wasting your efforts. Muscle growth doesn't happen during workouts. It happens during rest, particularly during deep sleep. Between 12 a.m. and 2 a.m., the body naturally releases growth hormone, a key player in muscle repair and regeneration. But for this process to work efficiently in older adults, 2 specific nighttime supplements are crucial: magnesium and zinc. The first essential supplement for building and maintaining muscle after age 55 is magnesium, and the most effective form for this purpose is magnesium glycinate. This specific type of magnesium is highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for older adults who may struggle with digestive issues or poor nutrient absorption. Magnesium plays a critical role in muscle protein synthesis, the biological process where your body repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers after physical activity. Without enough magnesium, your body simply cannot make full use of the protein you consume, no matter how much you're eating. This makes magnesium just as important as protein in your muscle-building plan. One of magnesium's most powerful effects is how it supports deep, restorative sleep, especially during the key hours of muscle repair, typically between 12 a.m. and 2 a.m. During this time, your body naturally releases growth hormone, which is vital for repairing tissues, strengthening muscles, and slowing the effects of aging. Magnesium helps you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and enter deeper stages of non-REM sleep, where this hormone is produced most effectively. Magnesium also facilitates the transport of amino acids into muscle cells. These are the building blocks of protein. So, when you consume protein throughout the day, magnesium ensures those nutrients are actually delivered into your muscles where they can be used for repair and growth. However, magnesium deficiency is extremely common in adults over 55. Several factors contribute to this. Aging reduces stomach acid, making it harder to absorb magnesium from food. Common medications like diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, and diabetes drugs further deplete magnesium levels, and even a seemingly healthy diet may not contain enough, especially if the food comes from magnesium-depleted soil. The second critical supplement for building and preserving muscle mass, particularly in adults over the age of 55, is zinc, and it's most effective when taken in highly absorbable forms like zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate. These specific forms are far superior to more common versions like zinc oxide, which is poorly absorbed by the body and often provides minimal benefit. Zinc plays a foundational role in numerous biological processes that directly impact muscle health. One of its most important functions is supporting testosterone production, a hormone essential for muscle repair, strength, and growth. This is especially relevant for aging men, whose testosterone levels naturally decline with age. Low testosterone is often linked to sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, reduced stamina, fatigue, and difficulty building or maintaining lean muscle mass. Zinc is also involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, many of which are tied to metabolism, tissue repair, and immune health. A strong immune system is vital during muscle recovery, as even minor inflammation or illness can accelerate muscle breakdown in older adults. Zinc helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, creating an optimal internal environment for growth and healing. To get the best results, adults over 55 should take 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc, in the form of picolinate or glycinate, about 30 minutes before bed, ideally on an empty stomach or at least 2 hours after eating. It's important not to take zinc with iron or calcium supplements, as they share absorption pathways and can compete with zinc, significantly reducing its effectiveness. 3 common supplements should be avoided at night. Iron supplements are often prescribed to treat conditions like anemia, fatigue, or low red blood cell count, which are more common in older adults. And while these benefits are valid, timing is everything. Taking iron at night can lead to a number of problems that disrupt the very processes required for muscle growth and recovery. First, iron is known to cause digestive issues in many people, especially when taken on an empty stomach. Common side effects include stomach cramps, nausea, constipation, or acid reflux, all of which can interfere with your ability to fall asleep or stay asleep. This matters because deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for the release of growth hormone, the very hormone responsible for tissue repair and muscle building. Second, iron directly competes with zinc and magnesium for absorption in the digestive tract. All three are minerals that use similar transport mechanisms, so taking them together, particularly at night when magnesium and zinc are most beneficial, can block the uptake of these muscle-supportive nutrients. In other words, even if you're taking your magnesium and zinc faithfully, combining them with nighttime iron can cancel out their effects, leaving your muscles undernourished and unprepared for overnight repair. Furthermore, nighttime iron can also disrupt the circadian rhythm. Studies have shown that taking iron in the evening can result in restlessness, reduced sleep quality, and increased nighttime awakenings, all of which interfere with the body's natural repair cycle. To maximize both the effectiveness of iron and your body's ability to build muscle, it's best to take iron in the morning, ideally with a vitamin C-rich food, such as orange juice, kiwi, or strawberries, to boost absorption. B-complex vitamins, best taken in the morning, not at night. While B-complex vitamins are essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting brain function, and promoting a healthy metabolism, they are not suitable for nighttime use, especially for older adults focused on muscle recovery and restful sleep. This group of vitamins, which includes B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B5, pantothenic acid, B6, B7, biotin, B9, folate, and B12, works collectively to convert food into usable energy, support nerve and brain health, and regulate metabolism. While these functions are vital during the day, they can interfere with your body's ability to wind down in the evening. Specifically, B12 and B6 are known to be highly stimulating to the nervous system. They increase mental alertness, raise energy levels, and activate the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. While this may be helpful in the morning, taking B vitamins at night can lead to restlessness, racing thoughts, and difficulty falling or staying asleep. This is particularly problematic for people over 55, as quality sleep already tends to decline with age. High-dose calcium, without magnesium, can do more harm than good at night. Calcium is one of the most commonly recommended supplements for older adults, especially postmenopausal women and seniors at risk for osteoporosis. It's essential for strong bones, nerve function, muscle contractions, and heart health. However, when taken at the wrong time of day and without proper balance, calcium can actually work against your health goals, particularly muscle repair and sleep quality. Blocks magnesium absorption. Calcium and magnesium compete for absorption in the digestive tract. When calcium is taken in high doses without accompanying magnesium, it can inhibit magnesium uptake, rendering your nighttime magnesium supplement less effective or even useless. This is critical because magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation, protein synthesis, and deep sleep, all of which are necessary for muscle growth and recovery. Without enough magnesium to balance it, excess calcium can build up in soft tissues like muscles instead of going to the bones. This can result in muscle tightness, cramps, stiffness, and reduced flexibility, symptoms often misattributed to aging when they're actually caused by improper supplement timing and balance. This information is only going to my subscribers first. So, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it right now. You absolutely cannot miss tomorrow's video.